Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to transfer from Trezor to Coinbase step by step. Connect your Trezor and unlock it, then open Trezor Suite or Bridge to access your accounts. Select the account holding the coins you want to send and review the transaction history. Verify the destination address on both your computer and device screen for security. Prepare for network fees and set a priority level that fits your timing and budget. Sign into Coinbase and open the Receive tab for the specific cryptocurrency you plan to transfer. Choose the correct network and copy the deposit address carefully, or scan the QR code shown on Coinbase to avoid typos. Double-check the address and network match the token on your Trezor before proceeding. If you use a passphrase-protected account, ensure the same passphrase is applied when viewing keys. Confirm fees and expected confirmation times. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control and automatic mapping make it absurdly convenient while you handle crypto tasks. It's a great time saver when you're managing transfers and emails. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Back in Trezor Suite, start a new send transaction and paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field, confirming the exact match on your Trezor screen. Enter the amount to transfer and choose a fee level that balances cost and confirmation speed. Carefully review the destination address, amount, and fee on your hardware device before approving the transaction. Sign with your Trezor, then wait for network confirmations and verify the funds appear in Coinbase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.